This conference will now be recorded.
Open your Excel. I'm clearly audible, class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
As the external data, you can take these data from the any other source and then link that to the Excel sheet. Not have. I'll take it from another. Sorry, sorry. So what you need to do is you class just create that file and export. 1 second.
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
So from whichever source you want to take, you can take that and all these are related to that what connections we take about to the connections, whatever connections you have applied to the sheet, and to refresh if we have updated in that database, and then if we take refresh and it will apply it here also. And then sort and filter, advanced filter. Yesterday somebody asked anything for me to do and show. I don't remember if it was that this class. You can use the sequence formula and then get random numbers. You can use rand function. Use the rand. Anyone can tell me how do I do next with the advanced filter? Anyone? Class, I'm audible or not?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Hmm. Lakshmi is absent. Lakshmi Ashrita. Isn't there? Where is my Sushmita? Why no talking today? She wants only match and index function. Class.
Ma'am, there's a lot of
Ma'am, we
background
need to
noise.
select the advanced and then select the range.
Yeah, but you tell me what do I do? How do I do next?
Ma'am, first we need to press the advanced filter option and then select the whole table.
Mm.
And then for criteria range, we need to select from E1 till F2
Mm.
and then press OK. Copy to another location and we need to select the cell, ma'am, and then press OK.
Mm. If I want other ranges to change these ranges here, greater than or less than. Okay. Next, text to column is when in one cell if you have more text.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Class, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, now we are audible.
Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. Shh. Out. Click and drag. Remove the duplicates. Now, anyone can tell me what happens if I choose this and what happens if I choose this.
Ma'am, continue
Ma'am, if
with
we
current selection. It will go with the selected cells. Expand the selection. We can expand the selection to.
Good. That time it was Rupa, correct? If I'm not wrong.
yes, ma'am.
Now it is Shaista or
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya.
Shaista, ma'am.
Shaista. Okay. Yes. So expand selection means it will with this it will get removed. Only with the continue with the selection means this will get removed, but this will remain. See, the prices are there, that is same. If I do with selection, oh sorry, 1 second. Okay, so now you can see here why these many types are there, because the numbers are not I mean number of
Repeated.
times. Yeah, that is the reason this is not removed. Consolidate. Anyone?
Ma'am, when we have data, the same
Ma'am,
kind of
from the
data across
different
many sheets, we can use consolidate
from
option, ma'am, to
sorry.
either like
Yeah.
add,
Yes,
How do
multiply
I do
data
that?
across
from
sheets.
different.
Maybe I'll take this as different data. I'll divide the data here only in one sheet. तू काम केलेलं आवडती का मग काय सांगते तू आम्हा कोण केलं तुका so yeah, now tell me who was that. Sinchana, who was that was telling?
Ma'am,
Not Shaista. Not Shaista.
I was
Before,
also telling and Sinchan also was telling, ma'am,
yeah,
together.
Sinchana. How much marks you want, Shaista? You don't want to write the exam only. All in this only you take. Hmm? Sinchana. She's not there. Yes, anybody else? Hmm. Shaista,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me. How do I do this?
Ma'am, we need to click on consolidate,
Hmm.
and then reference, we need to select the first, the price column,
Hmm.
and then ma'am, we need to click add,
Hmm.
and then the next price column,
Hmm.
and then add,
Hmm.
and then the next price column, add,
Hmm.
and then we can select any function which we want. Now it is sum selected,
Hmm.
and then we need to click OK.
Okay. Okay. Other than that, there are all the. Okay. It will just show you about the. Okay. 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 No data here. So from external source, same how you did it here in pivot, it takes into the power pivot with the data. You can just do power. What if analysis? Scenario manager. Anyone? Class scenario manager. Zoya. Okay, okay. Lakshmi Ashrita.
Yes, ma'am.
What, ma'am? Where were you, ma'am?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I joined a bit late. I'd gone to get my vaccine.
You're fine?
Yes, ma'am, I just got home and I joined the class.
Then I'll come back to you later. Archana, Archana K. Now, whoever doesn't answer me, no, I'm not allowing them to sit for the examination. I'm telling you. I'll make you leave and then tell others about some of the tips for the examination.
Ma'am, can I say?
Mm.
Ma'am, scenario manager, we need to select pen 54, that is from A9 and to B9, and then what if analysis and go to scenario manager, and then add.
Ah, one second.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, scenario name can be 2010.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, and then we can change the price, like maybe it was 50 rupees in 2000. Then add 2002. Okay, and then price change to 75. Add 100.
See the summary. Here, so you can see the summary. Next, goal seek. Okay, so I want this to make 100. What if analysis? Goal seek to the value 100 by changing. I'll change this. Okay. Now, if you press this cancel, it will go. If only when you press OK, it will be there. Is equal to this. Select all. What if analysis data table. Sorry, for formula for what range you have used for formula that you will use. Oh, sorry. I had used, what was that I used? A26, B26. A26, B26. Subtotal together one it goes on giving you the group it will do, and plus together it will give you the grand total is what subtotal is. Next you have is review. Anyone who's what is threshes?
We can find
We can, if we give one
synonyms
word,
for
the
the
similar word, synonyms, ma'am.
Yes, so they are the synonyms which gives you the synonyms of that particular word you ask for. Spelling check, it will check all the. Okay, so give one word here, you will get the synonyms. All how many cells are used, how many tables are there, everything it has been shown here. Smart lookup is nothing but search. Okay, it will just look for. You might have option called research instead of smart. If you have lower version, you might have called research. Okay. Threshers research. Threshers you might have as research. Next to translate. Okay. Comment given to each um, each cell. Okay, try everyone give comment. Next to protect workbook, protect sheet, protect workbook, allow user to edit range. Any doubt in these three? Anyone who want me to do it again and show? Class?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Types of views, page break view, how much you have written, only those part will be seen. Page layout view, all your header, photos and everything will be seen. Custom view on sheet wise, you can just view, like if you have 100 sheets and you want to view only 10 sheets at that time, you can use the custom views. New window, to take a new window. Arrange all, to arrange all the windows. Copy of the same window. New window means not complete new, it's not a blank workbook, means for the copy of the same window which is here. Switch windows, view side by side, synchronize, reset, freeze panes, to freeze one part wherever you keep your cursor, or the top rows, or the or to freeze the first column. Then switch window from one book to another book through here. What you go from here, no, the same way you go to it. Then macros is to record one something and then use that same in the desired things. It will by giving a shortcut to it. Any doubts, class?
Ma'am, can you please show macros for names and marks of three people?
I told you to do. What happened?
Uh, yes, ma'am, I tried, ma'am, but only the name was coming, ma'am. The full
Any,
name didn't appear.
any others who have tried? Class.
Ma'am, I also tried, ma'am. I also got only the names. I didn't get the marks.
Okay, can
Yes,
anyone
ma'am.
share your screen and show me how is that you tried? Maybe others can share this. Anyone can share the screen and the other can tell her, and she will be doing that. Who will share the screen?
I'll share, ma'am.
Yeah, what's your name?
Rupa, ma'am. Rupa Bhaskar.
One second. Rupa Bhaskar. One second. Bit slow. Oh, it's taking such a long time to just click on the. Class, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My screen is hanged.
No, ma'am. We can see your mouse pointer, ma'am.
But then why? Rupa, unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not able to. Yeah, share now.
Yes, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Should I do or will Saishta tell what to do, ma'am?
You also tried. No, you try once, then Shaista will tell you.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Saishta, can you please tell me if I did it right?
Yes, I am also getting the same thing. Like whatever will be there in the first row, that is what is coming. Like in case if I don't write names and marks, and if I start with Kono, only the Kono word comes. So it's happening the same.
Okay. Ma'am, how to do it, ma'am? Ma'am,
Shaista, you tell letter type. I have not unmuted my mic and I was talking.
Ma'am,
Oh,
I said, ma'am, it's the same thing that's happening with me.
yes, I told you. I heard that. I had unmuted by mistake and I was talking. I was telling was you do and show. You tell a letter do. Let's see in what procedure you are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the whole lot, only Shaista and Rupa has tried, correct? So, girls, you both, I will
Even I
mail
have
you
tried.
directly how to do that.
Even I have tried.
No, I'm getting it. Even if I apply table, I'm getting it.
What are you getting?
I was able to get the whole data, whatever I recorded during the macros.
You tell her, let her do.
Okay, ma'am. Um, enter the data like three, four names.
Okay.
Before that, start recording. I mean, go to macros.
Yeah.
Yeah, give a any key which you.
D.
Okay,
Okay.
and three or four names,
Okay.
and also
Okay.
uh, now go to the macros again.
Okay.
Stop recording.
Okay.
Um, go to the other sheet.
Okay.
Now, whatever shortcut key you have given, type that. Done.
Hmm.
Ma'am, actually, when I got this, ma'am, but the thing is, the full table is not coming properly, ma'am. Like the names is somewhere and these things appear somewhere.
Yes.
When we try in the new sheet, we get the marks, ma'am, but in the same sheet, we are not getting it.
See, first one,
Yes.
where have you pasted? Where have you pasted that? See the previous sheet.
Here, ma'am.
Okay. Did you observe when you use one word and when you paste that? Did you observe what happens?
It
When you
pastes
use
wherever it
macros
is.
with one word, did you observe what
Yes, ma'am.
happens?
The
What
word
happens?
appears, ma'am. The word
And
appears.
and and what happens? Anyone who has observed some difference?
Ma'am, if
Whenever
we put in
you
the other
have
sheet, it will be
recorded,
pasted in the
in
same
the next
cell.
sheet you have to paste it in the same cell.
Sorry,
Ma'am,
The
yes,
it is
data
Samira.
will be pasted
recorded.
in the same cell.
Yes,
Hello?
Samira was telling something.
Yes, ma'am, she need to paste it in the same cell in the next sheet.
No, no, I am tell not about the data. I am asking you is when you do a macro for one single cell, have you observed some changes? What goes on?
Ma'am, can I try? When we do it for one cell, ma'am, after putting the value in the cell, the selector comes back to the original cell.
Correct. So what happens is the first one gets recorded and the second one automatically in wherever you are, no, it goes to that previous selection only. Okay. So this basically here run is 1 second. Um, you close your screen, Rupa.
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
show you. 1 second. One second. 1 minute class. Are you still the presenter, Rupa?
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. You only show, I'll tell. My screen is. I'm audible, class.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I made you the
Yes,
presenter.
ma'am.
Now the share button won't work for me.
Okay, 1 second. Not working. Now you can see, class.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. See, macros are basically the next part of Excel. That means there is something called VBA. Okay, Visual Basis Application. It is basically under codings. Okay, why is that required? Is to give some codings to the Excel, and then you can just convert that part so that it is easier. It is nothing but same thing. You record and then you keep adding or deleting whatever you want, and you can paste it any number of times. This is a reason where under macros, when you go to view macros, when you click on one of the macro and when you click on edit, see it goes to this is another tab in Excel called developer tab. Under that we do these codings. So under these codings, so I have put this particular items. As this goes into macros, here you can see that there are already assigned cells here, sheet and assigned cells. Okay, so
Ma'am,
what
we can
happens?
only see the Excel screen, ma'am. The tabs which are opening are not visible.
I'll open it again. Now you can see my tally Excel screen, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Excel screen is visible.
Now, when you go to view macros, you cannot edit any macros. That the reason is when you go to view macros and you go with one of the macro and click on edit, see it takes you to the VBA, Visual Basis Application. Okay, you can see that in the title. So this is one of the other applications of MS Office where you can, it is under Excel only. Using Excel, we create all these codes and then you can apply them there. All your functions, whatever you have studied, will be here only. Okay, as I anything you whatever we use, whenever we want some functions to be used in VBA, we use this only. See, it also has what shortcut key we have given, what is the name. Okay, so that is the reason here we would already given what is the date, what is the. Okay, did everyone check? That is the reason it applies you for the same cell. That is because here when we have done, now I'll show you the another macro. See. So this sheet is not named, but the range is named. So it is between 8 H8 and 11 I114. So whenever it pastes for this particular range only. Is that clear? So that is the reason. Even though you paste somewhere else, it automatically comes for that particular cell. Okay, class. I'll just give you 2 minutes. Let's go through that, and then we'll have some question answer session. Okay. I'll just we'll start class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I will ask question, I want you to raise your hand. I will name them. Joining several text strings only in one heading. Joining several text strings only in one heading. No one.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, how
can
do
I
we raise
answer?
hand? Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am. How do we raise hand?
You have one symbol no near that to raise your hand, to lower your hand. You're not
No,
finding?
ma'am. No,
No,
ma'am, we
ma'am.
aren't able to.
Turning to phone.
Maybe you can answer me, you can message.
Two of us have raised the hand, ma'am.
Huh. But most of people are not knowing. No? So you can message the answer. Only one. Now, what do you say if I say it's merge?
Ma'am, merge is just centering the
Merge and
data, joining different cells, no, ma'am.
No, I am not. I'm asking you. What do you say if I say what will be your justification for your answer? Yeah. So concatenate, what it does is it joins the text. Merge joins the
Cells.
cells. How is everyone message for this? Okay. How is um, relative reference seen? Or else type all three references: mixed reference, relative reference, absolute reference. Write A for absolute reference, write R for relative reference, write M for mixed reference. Don't turn your pages, fast answer. Uh, Only don't type one, all type three, all three together and send. Relative, absolute, mixed. Okay, good. Kirtana, Lakshmi, Toba, Sayed. Okay, good class. Shortcut key for hyperlink. Shortcut key for hyperlink. Good. Saima, Rupa, Archana. The orientations of page layout, page, orientations of page. Yes, Yashna. It's only portrait and landscape. That's all wrong. Others were sent. Normal, those are the views. Don't get confused, class. Views are different from orientations. Orientations are orientations are in your page layout tab. Correct? Under orientation, portrait and landscape. Under view, you have normal page break, page layout, custom view. So those are different, and this is different. Next. How do you give a cell reference for the cell range A10 to Z20? Was I audible?
Yes, ma'am, we have sent the answers.
Hmm. Where are the answers? Oh, sorry.
We have sent, ma'am.
Yeah. Is equal to. No is equal to and all. Only A1 is to A20. Okay. When do I give comma a comma class? Anyone? When do we give comma? Correct. When there are individual datas, we give commas. When they are group datas, we together give them as is to the complete range. And when we have alphabets, we give them in double quotes. Extension for Excel. Yeah. So XLSX, the extension. In MS Excel, which menu does have a sort option? Edit, tool, format, data. Listen clearly. Which menu has the sort option? You did not get my question. Everybody is giving this. What is the question I asked? Which menu has salt in it? Which menu has? Correct. It is edited. I am not asking you about the tabs. I'm asking you about the menu. So you should look after the question clearly. In home tab also you have edit, no, sort, no. Correct. And look for the all functions. Okay.